A lot of people don't realize this, but you don't have to use Squarespace's member sites for your members-only content. I'm Hayden from MemberSpace, and in this video, I'll show you how to build a more flexible membership site on Squarespace in just a few minutes. You'll start by heading over to memberspace.com and creating your account. When you're setting it up, choose Use My Existing Website, select Squarespace as your platform, and then enter your website URL and your business name. Now to actually install MemberSpace on your website, you'll need to take this short code snippet and copy and paste it into your Squarespace site. To do that, go to Website, Pages, Custom Code, Code Injection, and then paste this snippet into the header section and click Save. That's it, it's installed. You'll see a small floating member button appear in the right corner of your site, and this is where people will sign up and log into your membership site. And if you're still setting things up, you can always hide that button until you're ready to launch. Now that MemberSpace is installed, let's create your first space. A space is basically where all of your exclusive content lives, things that you're going to offer your members, online courses, videos, downloads, or even private pages from your Squarespace website. You can upload files, embed videos, or create posts directly in MemberSpace. You don't have to mess with your Squarespace design at all. You can also organize everything into folders, drag and drop things to reorder them, and create multiple spaces for different membership levels. Your members can even bookmark their favorite content and get notified when you add something new, which is great for keeping them engaged. Next up, let's set up your pricing plan. And this is where you'll decide how people will pay to access the content that you just added to your first space. That might be a recurring payment, a one-time fee, multiple payments, or even free access. And in the future, if you're wanting to have different membership tiers, you can create as many different pricing plans as you want, which is actually something that's pretty challenging to do with Squarespace's Member Sites feature. So for example, you might have a free plan that gives access to just one space, a middle tier that unlocks a few more, and a premium plan that includes everything, all of your spaces and all of your members-only content. To make sure everything matches your Squarespace website's branding, you can open up the Look and Feel editor to customize your fonts, colors, buttons, and forms. That way your members will get a seamless experience. It'll feel like one cohesive website and not two different platforms. Before you launch, we always recommend inviting yourself as a member and going through the whole sign-up process on your website. That way you can see exactly what your members will experience and make any final tweaks before sharing it with your community. Before we wrap up, I want to share just a few quick tips that'll help you get the most out of MemberSpace, especially if you've used Squarespace's member sites before. One of the biggest advantages of MemberSpace is just how flexible it is. You can offer tiered access, so set up multiple membership levels and control exactly what each one can see, which is something that's kind of tough to pull off in Squarespace. You can send abandoned sign-up reminders to bring people back who started signing up but never finished. You can enable one-click sign-up with Google for a faster, smoother experience, accept flexible payment options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Link Quick Pay, or just standard credit cards through Stripe. And finally, you can offer cancellation alternatives like pausing or downgrading instead of forcing members to cancel completely. These are just a few of the features that make MemberSpace such a great upgrade for Squarespace users who want more control and more room to grow. And that's it. You've just turned your Squarespace website into a flexible, scalable membership site. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of membership you're building. Thanks for watching.